Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to use Paysafe in a store. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why would you want to use Paysafe in a store? There are a few reasons why Paysafe can be a convenient and secure payment option. For one thing, it's a prepaid payment method, which means you don't have to worry about linking your bank account or credit card to a merchant. This can be helpful if you're concerned about online security or if you simply don't want to share your financial information with every store you shop at. Another advantage of using Paysafe is that it's accepted by a wide variety of retailers and online merchants. So whether you're buying clothes, groceries, or even just paying for a cup of coffee, you're likely to find a place that accepts Paysafe. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use Paysafe in a store. There are two main ways to use Paysafe in a store. Use a Paysafe card. Paysafe cards are physical cards that you can purchase at a variety of retailers, including gas stations, convenience stores, and supermarkets. Once you have a Paysafe card, you can simply use it to pay for your purchases at the checkout counter. Just tell the cashier that you want to pay with Paysafe and they will ask you for the 16-digit PIN code on the back of your card. Use the Paysafe app. Paysafe is a mobile app that allows you to make payments with Paysafe. To use Paysafe, you'll first need to create an account and then add a Paysafe card to your account. Once you've done that, you can simply open the app and scan the QR code at the checkout counter. Here are some additional tips for using Paysafe in a store. Make sure you have the correct amount of money on your Paysafe card. If you don't have enough money on your card, you won't be able to complete your transaction. Keep your Paysafe card in a safe place. Paysafe cards are prepaid cards, so they can be used just like cash. This means that you should keep your card in a safe place to prevent it from being lost or stolen. Be aware of scams. There are a number of scams associated with Paysafe cards. If you're ever asked to provide your Paysafe card PIN to someone you don't know, be sure to refuse. Overall, using Paysafe in a store is a simple and convenient way to make payments. If you're looking for a secure and flexible payment option, Paysafe is a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks.